So we just launched in Turkey.
Sleepyhead Productions.
How's it going, everyone? Mick Ambrose from All About Tech. Welcome back to another video. It is official. Electroneum have launched in their third country, and that country is Turkey. Now, this third country makes absolutely perfect sense considering Electroneum's interest in Turkey already that we've seen. Obviously, they are on a Turkish exchange called System Coin, where they have a fiat pairing with the Turkish lira. They've given 5 reasons as to why they've chosen Turkey next. And the first reason is because of the absolutely huge awareness that the Turkish people have when it comes to what cryptocurrency is already. 70% of people have already heard of what cryptocurrency is in Turkey, as opposed to 57% in the United States. And then the second reason that they've gone to Turkey is the fact that there is already quite a high ownership in cryptocurrency. 20% of people in Turkey have already owned or own some form of cryptocurrency, as opposed to just the 5% of people in the United States that own cryptocurrency. The third reason is the expectation of cryptocurrency in Turkey. They actually expect 45% of Turkish people to own cryptocurrency at some point. That projection is much higher than the 21% in the US. That is absolutely astonishing. 45%. Obviously, I've said before about the Turkish lira that may be an indicating factor that they want to use a different currency. Because of the way that currency has been performing. The fourth reason is that 53% of Turkish people believe that cryptocurrency is the future of online spending. And to be honest with you, I completely agree with this statement, because online spending, you can spend on things from anywhere in the world. If you think about, like, for me, I like to import cool tech products from China, and a lot of the time they have to do the conversions from different fiats. Like, if you had just one cryptocurrency, say for example Electroneum, or say for example Bitcoin, it is that global universal kind of currency that everybody understands. Well, at the point of mass adoption, everyone understands. Obviously, not everyone understands now, but yeah, I totally agree with that statement also. Now, in terms of these reasons, this puts Turkey as an absolutely fundamental country in terms of Electroneum launching there, because it means that these people already have an interest in cryptocurrency. If they can earn a little bit on the side via the reward system, cloud mining reward system, through the gig economy as well, and the chances of adoption accelerating in Turkey is probably higher than the other previous launched countries, because there's already that proven interest in it. So that for me is a great indicator. Turkey is a really, really strong choice in my opinion.
So we've gone live, direct ETN to airtime top up for Vodafone, TurkCell and Turk Telekom.
Did he just say Vodafone, TurkCell and Turk Telekom? That in itself, I mean, everyone's heard of Vodafone, and the entire population of Turkey would have heard of TurkCell and Turk Telekom as well. The fact that they're using this very clever third party to just outright get 100% coverage in the countries that they're launching in. It is outright genius because it means that they don't have to necessarily get that partnership direct with the mobile operator, virtual network operator. In these cases, all three of these are mobile network operators. They own their own networking equipment and infrastructure for providing airtime and data. So these three are massive, and they cover the entirety of Turkey. And already, when Richard L stated the huge amount of people that have smartphones, it is really, really exciting to see that people on, especially Vodafone. I'm with Vodafone in the UK. Obviously, I won't be able to top up data here, and obviously I'm on contract anyway, so I couldn't do that anyway. But just the thought of Vodafone, like that brand is absolutely massive. Granted, their customer service is appalling, but to be honest with you, they're an absolutely massive company, and it is great that Electroneum are going to be able to provide top-ups of airtime and data to them. As well, TurkCell and Turk Telekom as well. Absolutely, this is the start of something absolutely massive, in my opinion. There's not a single cryptocurrency out there that is providing these sorts of services so far. There's next to no cryptocurrencies providing any sort of service launched whatsoever, and a lot of these cryptocurrencies have been around long enough to have a minimum viable proposition out there now. So just the fact that Electroneum are there doing what they do, they're getting the work done, and proving themselves. Well, as promised, 10,000 ETN giveaway. All you have to do to enter is like this video, be subscribed to All About Tech, and make sure you comment your ETN address down below. Don't worry if your comment doesn't appear in the comment section. I will have to manually go in and approve a lot of them because they get flagged as potential spam. But yeah, make sure you do those three things. Thank you for your support in the previous video. It is massively appreciated. Smash the 250 likes pretty much instantly. So I just wanted to take a quick opportunity to show you guys the System Coin Turkish exchange. I did take a look at this in a video when it went live. This exchange went live around the time that I was doing my second lot of interviews with Richard Ells. But as you can see, you start off in the Turkish lira markets. So obviously they've got Bitcoin markets and Ethereum markets, same as most other exchanges. But if you look at the 24-hour volume, the Bitcoin to Turkish lira, 111.5 million Turkish lira traded on the 24-hour there. That equates to around $17 to $18 million. Now, they've got good volume for a lot of these cryptocurrencies, like even Dogecoin, which is literally a coin made to take the piss as such. You've got you've got many cryptocurrencies here that are trading above the millions of Turkish lira. Now, this is positive for me to see because obviously these cryptocurrencies, I'm looking at them, I'm thinking, yeah, these are cryptocurrencies that are very well known. If you look at Electroneum's trading volume here, it is very, very low, but this doesn't mean that it's going to stay like this. I mean, now that they're launched, there is actually a reason for people to buy Electroneum. If there's a deal where it's more, you get more of a discount, or it's more beneficial to purchase your airtime and data through Electroneum, then people will have no problem buying some Electroneum from System Coin. I can imagine this 24-hour volume is going to go up. And it wouldn't surprise me if it went up quite substantially as well, and that's good for the health of the coin as well. So that's what I wanted to quickly touch up on here. What did you think of today's launch of Turkey? I think it is absolutely amazing. Vodafone, TurkCell, Turk Telekom, absolutely awesome stuff. I've not said that in a while. Awesome stuff. This is incredibly exciting. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below your ETN address, like this video, and subscribe to be in a chance to enter the giveaway for 10,000 ETN. And I'll catch you guys out in the next video. Peace out.